Yeah. That's a good boy. Yeah, eat that, drink it all, mommy. That don't got that much love. It's good. It's good, baby. Oh, it's good. So it's good, mommy. It's good. Where your pinky at? Where your pinky at? Yeah. So it's good. Oh, whoa, whoa. Don't you cry. Don't you cry. Don't you cry. Here's your beer. Here's your pinky. I don't know. He just has to have something in his mouth now. He's a drink all his bottle, but give him this pinky. Say, okay, mommy. So mama got to burp the baby. Mama need to burp the baby. Mama got to burp. It's your birthday baby. It's your birthday baby. Don't you throw up. Don't you throw up. Don't you throw up. Yeah, don't you throw up. It's mama. It's a mama big boy. It's a mama big boy. Yeah. I love you. Yes. Yes, mommy loves that baby. Oh, he's such a good boy. He's going to sleep. Yes. He's going to sleep. It's mama's baby. He should go to sleep. Okay, Kendall. Alrighty. And I'll take his first little sleep. Talk to you guys later. Let him rest. Bye-bye.